Hey everyone, welcome back to another used device unboxing and short review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So first of all, unboxing. At first, open the box. We got our smartphone. Next, one USB Type C to USB Type C cable. Then 125 watt fast adapter. So first of all, talk about the phone design and the build quality. The smartphone comes with Gorilla Glass Big Touch in the front, wood back cover and aluminum frame. Design wise, the smartphone looked too much premium on the hand, especially the camera design. It looked too much similar to others Motorola phone. And the phone also comes with IP68 rating, and the phone also very lightweight. It's only 197 gram. Very soon this smartphone long time for review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Moving to the display, the phone comes with 6.7-inch OLED 1 billion color with 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus, and the peak brightness is 2500 nits. Security wise, the phone comes with under display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Performance wise, the smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 SoC with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB storage with UFS 4.0. All the app opening and closing speed very fast, and at the same time I also use lot of app at the background. Software side, the smartphone running Android 15, which is very clear and customizable. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom, and 50 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with 50 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera and selfie camera, you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080p 30 60 120fps 240fps and 960fps slow-mo video with 10-bit HDR video with EIS. The phone picture quality also very good, and I am trying to make a dedicated camera review Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. The smartphone powered by 4500 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. Overall, Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is a great device. If you find it a discount, definitely buy this. Okay, that pretty much for today video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.